Hello there, modern man. I'm Dr. Truong. I've treated over 7,000 men with ED. I want you to start massaging your testicles. Yes, and I'll tell you why that is. So stay tuned and we'll tell you at least 4 reasons why you need to do it and how it's going to help you with your erection. So the Taoists are philosophers that have been in China since 6th century BC, before Christ. And they talk a lot about testicle massage because the Taoist theories is that it centers on cultivation, preservation, and circulation of sexual energy known as qi or qi. And according to classical Taoist teaching, is widely popularized by Mantak Chia on testicle massage. Let's dive into why testicle massage is really something I've been really reading a lot about, and I feel that it's essential to rehabilitation for ED. Because when you do testicle massage, which you can do easily, just using 2 fingers, just feeling around your testicles and not too hard, but just enough to kind of about 1 pound pressure, feeling every curvature, every bump of your testicle, very similar to how a woman do breast self-examination. When a woman do breast examination, it's like you doing testicle massage. You need to feel your testicle. You need to feel every crevice of the testicle. You need to feel where the tube goes up into the scrotum, into where it crosses and it goes to the prostate right here. And then so the sperm is actually stored in the prostate and it comes out with the seminal fluid. But when you do testicle massage, it stimulates blood flow and lymphatic drainage in the testicle, which support healthy function and overall vitality. Number 2, it enhances the production of flow of vital sexual energy, which is called Jing, Jing, preventing its stagnation or unnecessary loss, which is believed to preserve youth, virility, and support longevity. Yes. Number 3, it can transform sexual energy into life force energy via conscious breathing and visualization. So what this means is that it can transform your sexual energy into life energy if you coordinate the testicle massage with the breathing as well. So redirecting this energy to go up into the body to have healthy energy rather than losing it to ejaculation. I know the Taoists believe that you don't ejaculate, not deplete your energy as much. So there's some debate about that. But we do know that it does increase energy when you coordinate that with breathing. Number 4, it maintains the health of the fascia and surrounding tissue around the testicle here, which plays a part in more hormone production and increasing blood flow to the sexual organ. Number 5, it supports emotional and energy balance because the Taoists believe that the genitals can store emotions such as fear, anxiety, and massage will help release them. Okay, modern man, you are not alone and you don't have to suffer anymore. ED can feel isolating, frustrating, and even defeating. The endless guessing, the quiet shame, the weight of not feeling like yourself is exhausting. But here's the truth. You are not broken. You are not alone. You don't have to figure this out alone anymore. The Get Wood Now Boost program is your step-by-step path to sexual confidence and restoration. No more suffering in silence. No more trial and error. Just real solution, real result, and the confidence you deserve. It's time to take back your power on your terms. Let's get this journey started together. Check out the course at getwoodnow.com. I'll see you there. So if you incorporate this with breathing, where when you inhale, your breath will rise up, or you can see your belly rise up. You inhale to your nose, and then you hold for 4 and breathe out through your mouth, through like a straw for 4. So you coordinate the breathing with the testicle massage and then just relaxing your mind and just think about just relaxing, closing your eyes This is called testicle breathing, to guide the energy upward into the body rather than allowing it to be lost. So this aim is to harmonize your body, your mind, and your spirit, and cultivating and circulating sexual energy as part of your health. So essentially, if you coordinate testicle massage with breathing that I just talked about, along with visual imagery, you are actually doing what's called testicle breathing, which then will allow you to relax the mind, harmonize the body and the mind, and increasing sexual energy, which will then also help with erection as well. So I love this theory because I truly believe that it is really help with sexual function and also relaxing you as well and calming down fear and anxiety, particularly with performance anxiety. Now, testicle massage is generally considered to be safe when you perform it gently and with awareness. And I mean gently. Gently is just about 1 pound of pressure and awareness of feeling around your testicles as well. And you don't want to put a lot of pressure, because you put a lot of pressure, it can cause bruising or trauma and injury. And you don't want to do too much that it can even swell up, okay? And you will know you're doing something that creates bruising. So you want to stop with that. And you always want to clean your hands before and after the massage. And if you're diabetic or you have neuropathy, if you just use light pressure, you have to be kind of aware of that, because sometimes diabetic will have decreased sensitivity as well. As long as you're using very light pressure, there's no bruising, you should be fine. Now, you shouldn't do testicle massage if you have pre-existing conditions such as testicle pain, varicose, which is a swelling of the testicle, or hernia in the scrotum as well, or recent injury to your pelvic area, because this can worsen and cause more swelling. You certainly do not want to massage if you have infection or cuts or sores in the scrotal area. Anyone with history of testicle cancer or post-surgical healing in this region, you need to ask your doctor before you attempt massage at this point. But generally, massaging is fairly safe, and it really involves sexual energy, increasing sexual energy, decreasing fear and anxiety, and moving energy from the scrotal area into the body if you coordinate that with breathing called testicle breathing exercise. I love that because no one talk about it, but something as simple, something like this will actually go a long way in lowering the anxiety as well as increasing your sexual energy. So let me know, try it out. Let me know what you think. This is something that I've been thinking about that I think is the best kept secret of all. Oftentimes the most simple things are the best thing. We always try to chase a shiny object and try this machine, try this something new. Oftentimes everything is right here where you need it to be. Only thing that I like you to do along with that is combining that with testicle massage along with a penis pump and also doing Kegel. And that is a triad that you need to be doing at this point to really rejuvenate the penis. So let me know what you think. I love to hear from you. Mean the world to me. Subscribe to the channel and share this with somebody, and that you are not alone. We are here to help you, and we have a community of men with ED are going through the same thing, that are helping each other along, working with me to get you out of ED. Check it out at the Modern Man Club at noedman.com. I will see you in the next episode. Okay, Modern Man, you are not alone and you don't have to suffer anymore. ED can feel isolating, frustrating, and even defeating. The endless guessing, the quiet shame, the weight of not feeling like yourself. It's exhausting, but here's the truth. You are not broken. You are not alone. You don't have to figure this out alone anymore. The Get Wood Now Boost program is your step-by-step path to sexual confidence and restoration. No more suffering in silence. No more trial and error. Just real solution, real result, and the confidence you deserve. It's time to take back your power on your terms. Let's get this journey started together. Check out the course at getwoodnow.com. I'll see you there.